What if I told you your car already has the potential to cross 400,000 miles, but 99% of drivers unknowingly destroy that potential before even reaching 150,000? The difference is not luck, and it's not even the brand. It's a long-term strategy. Fleet data and high-mileage case studies consistently show that cars maintained with strict, proactive schedules can last 2 to 3 times longer than average vehicles. In this video, you're not just getting tips. You are about to get a complete roadmap that professionals follow to turn ordinary cars into ultra-high mileage machines. This is the exact system that keeps taxis, highway cars, and well-maintained daily drivers running for decades. Let's dive in. Stage 1. 0 to 50,000 miles. This stage decides whether your car will become average or a future 400,000-mile machine. Most wear starts early, even if you don't feel it. During this phase, your focus should be on minimizing microscopic wear that compounds over time. Change engine oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, even if the manufacturer suggests longer intervals. This early discipline reduces microscopic metal wear that compounds over time. Avoid aggressive acceleration and high RPM driving, especially during cold starts, because up to 80% of engine wear happens before the oil fully circulates. You should also build habits here, such as check fluid levels monthly, monitor tire pressure, and listen for any unusual sounds. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Around 15,000 miles, replace your air filter to keep airflow clean and combustion efficient. At 30,000 miles, do your first transmission fluid change, even if it looks fine. This single step dramatically increases gearbox life. This stage is not about fixing problems. It's about preventing them from ever forming. Cars that are neglected early rarely make it past 200,000 miles. Cars that are protected early become 400,000-mile machines. Stage 2. 50,000 to 100,000 miles. Now your car is fully broken in, but hidden wear starts building quietly beneath the surface. This is where most drivers relax, and that's exactly why problems begin. Your goal here is to stabilize every system before small wear turns into major damage. Continue strict oil changes every 4,000 to 5,000 miles to keep internal components protected. Around 60,000 miles, replace your spark plugs to maintain efficient combustion and prevent misfires that stress the engine. Coolant should be flushed between 60,000 to 80,000 miles because it loses its protective properties and starts becoming corrosive. Transmission fluid should also be replaced again around this range, especially if you drive in traffic or high temperatures. Brake fluid must be flushed by around 70,000 miles because it absorbs moisture, reducing braking performance and causing internal corrosion. You should also begin inspecting suspension components because worn bushings and shocks increase vibration, which slowly damages other parts. Cleaning the throttle body and replacing filters ensures smooth airflow and consistent performance. This stage is all about maintaining balance. If you manage it well, your car will still feel almost new even at 100,000 miles. Stage 3. 100,000 to 200,000 miles. This is where most cars begin to fail, but this is also where your car can separate itself from the rest. At this stage, maintenance becomes proactive rather than reactive. Around 100,000 miles, perform a major service. Replace spark plugs if long life type, inspect ignition coils, and check fuel injectors for efficiency. Also perform a full coolant system inspection, replace the thermostat, and strongly consider replacing the water pump before it fails. Overheating at this stage can instantly destroy years of good maintenance. Transmission fluid should be serviced again between 100,000 to 120,000 miles, ensuring smooth shifting and preventing internal wear. Suspension components like shocks, struts, and control arms will likely need replacement here. Worn suspension doesn't just affect comfort. This stage is the true test. If you stay ahead of wear, your car will push toward 300,000 miles. If you fall behind, this is where it starts breaking down.
Stage 4. 200,000 to 300,000 miles. At this point, your car has already outlived most vehicles, and now it requires a higher level of attention. Engines at this mileage are more sensitive, meaning maintenance must be even more precise. Oil changes should never be delayed, as older engines are more vulnerable to sludge and wear. Monitoring oil consumption becomes important. Slight burning is normal, but it must be controlled. Fuel system cleanliness becomes critical, because injector cleaning and occasional fuel system treatments help maintain smooth combustion. Carbon buildup is one of the biggest threats at this stage, and if ignored, it slowly chokes the engine. Transmission may need deeper servicing, or even a preventative rebuild depending on its condition. This is normal for high-mileage vehicles. Electrical parts such as alternators, starters, and sensors may begin to fail due to age, not usage. Maintain it properly, and your car will confidently move toward 300,000 plus miles without major breakdowns. Stage 5. 300,000 to 400,000 plus miles. Now you are in territory where very few cars survive, and this is where discipline truly pays off. At this level, maintenance becomes continuous and highly responsive. You are no longer just following intervals, you are reading your car like a professional. Every sound, vibration, or slight change matter and must be addressed immediately. Oil consumption, fuel efficiency, and engine performance should be monitored closely. Small repairs become more frequent, but they are essential for keeping the car alive. Replacing sensors, seals, and aging electrical components becomes part of normal maintenance. Driving style is now more important than ever. Smooth acceleration, gentle braking, and proper warm-ups are critical. Cars that reach 400,000 miles are not perfect. They are simply maintained consistently and repaired early. Now let's discuss the real secret of long-lasting cars most people ignore: weekly and monthly habits. Here is the truth. This is where 90% of people fail. Weekly and monthly habits are what actually determine whether your car makes it to 400,000 or dies early. Every week, you should quickly check for leaks, listen for unusual sounds. These small observations catch problems before they become expensive failures. Every month, check all fluid levels including engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid if accessible. Monitor tire pressure and battery condition to ensure everything is operating efficiently. These checks take less than 10 minutes, but can save thousands of dollars in repairs. High-mileage car owners don't wait for warning lights. They actively look for problems early. This mindset alone can double your car's lifespan. The bottom line is, reaching 400,000 miles is not about luck, brand, or even engine type. It's about consistency over time. Missing one oil change won't kill your engine, but repeating bad habits will. Every mile you drive is either adding life. The difference comes from how you maintain, how you drive, and how quickly you react to problems. If you follow this roadmap with discipline, your car won't just last longer, it will outperform most vehicles on the road for years.